Just a quick quick review here of this Autoglym active insect remover. And what better place to try it than the screen on my motorbike after a trip to Wales. All of this is dead bug remains, as well as the headlight. Check that out. Instructions say, shake well, spray, leave for 30 seconds, then wipe off with a dry microfiber. So let's go ahead and do it. I've already shook the bottle up. One, two, three. It smells nice, to be fair. It does smell good. And I'll be honest, I have used this stuff on bird shit on my car, and it gets rid of bird shit really well. So if you have a bottle of this stuff, I wouldn't bother buying like dedicated bird poo removal spray or wipes, because this just breaks it down perfectly fine. I've not used it on a windshield as soiled as this one, so yeah, I'd say it's been about 30 seconds, so let's give it a quick wipe. It does say on the bottle, stubborn bits of bug residue may need a second going over, which is fair enough. I'm not applying much pressure here at all. And it also says if you're using it as part of a car wash, just rinse the product off with a hose. There's the light. Again, not much pressure at all. I'd say that's probably got rid of 80% of it, so I'll do another one. Why not? It could do with atomizing a little bit better than it does. It tends to come out in clumps no matter how far away you spray it. Is any down here? Not really, a little bit. Get a clean part of microfiber. Give that a few more seconds. You could always apply more pressure, but the idea is not to apply too much so you don't get scratches in well, I ain't too fussed about getting scratches in this, but if you're doing it on car paint, you want to be a little more careful. So this time round, I'm going to do a little bit more pressure, again not much. I think some of them are on the other side of the screen, believe it or not. Back down here. And the lowers. And then these forks often get shit on them as well. And down here, look, which I didn't actually spray. And there you go. That's 2 applications again. Not much pressure applied at all. Pretty good result, to be fair, for a cheap product. I think you can get it on offer for about 5-6 quid, and it should last you a long while. So there you go. Oh yeah, I'll do this little bit as well. Ah, pretty good. See what you think. Cheers.